Welcome to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Catherine, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to wash your Luxy hair extensions. As Luxys are real human hair, you can wash, dry, and style them just like your own natural hair. We want to start by brushing our extensions thoroughly to be sure to get rid of any knots or tangles. So start from the bottom, working your way up gently. Once your extensions are fully brushed through, we can get started. I like to segment my Luxys into smaller sections rather than washing the full set all at once to ensure even product distribution. Next, we're going to fill up the sink with lukewarm water, so we don't want this to be too cold or too hot. As my extensions are blonde, I'm using both our Balancing Purple shampoo and our Charcoal Detox shampoo mixed together in the water. Since the extensions don't get as oily as they aren't attached to our scalp, we don't need to use too much product. Our products are specifically formulated with no sulfates and specifically designed for hair extensions and color-treated hair. To wash the extensions, hold the top of the wefts in one hand and dunk the rest into the water with the other, washing the strands with your fingers, ensuring the shampoo is evenly distributed. Once we're done with this section, we set it aside on a towel and repeat with the rest of the hair. Unless there is a lot of product and buildup, one wash should suffice. In order to ensure our Luxys remain healthy, it's important to focus on the conditioning. Next, I'm going in with our High Gloss Smoothing Conditioner, taking a generous amount I'm applying from top to bottom. Now, this is optional, but we highly recommend using a conditioning treatment. So I'm using our Length Repairing Hair Mask for about 30 minutes. This will help our extensions stay soft, shiny, moisturized, and manageable. Once that time has passed, all we have to do is rinse out the extensions. Now, be sure to take the time to rinse out every single weft, as if there is product left over, it can cause the hair extensions to feel greasy when dry. Once you feel the extensions are thoroughly rinsed, for the last 10 seconds, turn on the cold water and blast the hair extensions under the cold water. This helps to close the cuticles of the hair and lock in the moisture, making the extensions more shiny. Gently wring the water out, and now we're ready to dry. So I laid my wefts flat and used our detangling brush specifically designed for wet hair. The key is to be gentle on wet hair, so you can also use a wide tooth comb or simply your fingers. I want the extensions to dry without any frizz, so I used a small amount of our Luminous Shine hair oil while it's still wet to ensure they dry smooth. Lastly, I brush through them gently again to ensure that they're drying straight and smooth. And don't forget to always use heat protectant when styling your extensions, as it will really help prolong their lifespan. Now that's it for today's video. If you have any other questions that we didn't cover, feel free to leave them in the comments below, as our team is happy and here to help. If you like these types of videos, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Additionally, for some hair education, hair inspo, and a good laugh here and there, make sure you're following us on our socials, and until next time, mwah!